Hey guys, so we have a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 6T. So a quick look at the box here. Alright guys, get into it. Now I did get this a few days early at the New York launch. So right on top we have the 6T. Now the phone has a fingerprint scanner underneath the display. So take a look in a sec. We also got so I think we'll have our booklets in here. Oh nice, so free case with it. SIM card tool, SIM card, and welcome packet. And then we also got the Type-C cable. And unfortunately guys, the phone does not have a headphone jack, but we do have the adapter with it. And also the quick charge. Yeah, this charges your phone extremely quickly. Alright guys, now for the phone. So, pretty nice look to it. Alright guys, so setting up the fingerprint. Yeah, it's been pretty thorough here, which is good. Oh, and also we do have that pretty cool looking teardrop notch for it. Alright guys, so I'm going to use it for a few days and I'll give my thoughts on it. Okay guys, so here we are a few months later and I'm going to give my brief thoughts on the OnePlus 6T. So first of all, I'm going to list all the specs right there. Go ahead and pause it. Pause the video if you want. Now first of all for the fingerprint, which is of course underneath the display. So this is pretty awesome tech. I will say guys, it's definitely not necessary though. This is definitely cooler, but it's not as fast as the physical. And a brief look at the free case. So it's actually pretty good quality. So the lips around the edges are raised. And the sides are also rough. So now for what I don't like about it. So this doesn't happen that much, but sometimes there are software issues with it. For example, sometimes it restarts on its own. Now in terms of other stuff, the phone is not officially waterproof, but unofficially it apparently is. Also, it does not have a headphone jack, which is a pretty bad choice. No micro SD, and also no wireless charging. And last, the camera is definitely an improvement over the OnePlus 6, but needs a lot of work. Low light photography is not that good. I'll put a link there in the top right. And also the mic quality is pretty bad. Now aside from those negatives, it's mostly positives. So for example, it has a pretty awesome design. I really like the teardrop notch there. So overall the cameras and the performance are pretty good, despite some issues with it. Finally, the battery is excellent. I'll put another link there in the top right. And also, of course, the price can't be beaten. Now, overall, I would say it's a great phone for the price point. It's definitely not the best. It's not my favorite. But in terms of price, again, it can't be beat. But yeah, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments below if you have any questions.